Hey there beauties, welcome back to my channel Everything Enchanting. If you are new here, I'm Anamika and today we are diving into the world of DIY beauty with an amazing 3-ingredient homemade vitamin face mask that's going to leave your skin glowing and feeling oh so soft. It also acts as an ultimate detan pack. Sounds fabulous, right? Let's dive in. So to create this magical fruity face pack, we need only 3 ingredients that you probably already have at home. Here's what you will need. A handful of fresh, clean raspberries, a tablespoon of plain or Greek natural yogurt, a few drops of vitamin E oil. I use Evian 400 vitamin E capsules. Alright, let's get started. Blend a handful of fresh, clean raspberries and a tablespoon of plain or Greek natural yogurt until smooth. This mixture will already look and smell amazing. To this mixture, add a few drops of vitamin E oil and blend again. I use Evian 400 vitamin E capsules which I bring from India. You can tear or puncture the capsule to extract the oil. Make sure it's well blended. To apply the mask, make sure your face is clean and dry. You can use your fingers or a brush to evenly spread the mask all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Once applied, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to relax, maybe sip on some herbal tea or catch up on your favorite book. After 20 minutes, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. You will instantly notice how soft and glowing your skin feels. I usually apply my face mask at night and follow it up with all my hydrating skincare products. So beauties, that's how you make a natural homemade vitamin face mask that's perfect for glowing, soft and detan skin. I absolutely love this face pack because it's so easy to make and uses ingredients that are beneficial and natural. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and DIY skincare recipes. Also share this video with your friends who would love to try this amazing mask. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Stay beautiful and stay glowing.